to all of you. Please join your hands and close your eyes for the morning prayer. Thoughts help us to develop a positive mindset and gratitude for life. Having positive thoughts about the day will help you get through the day with a smile. So now, I would like to invite on stage David Goyal and Arnab Sharma of our class with our motivational thoughts.
The thought for the day is heritage is a present from our ancestors. Respect it and preserve it. I repeat, heritage is a present from our ancestors. Respect it and preserve it. Thank you.
सुप्रभात। आज का सुविचार है भविष्य को सुनहरा बनाने के लिए आपको आपकी विरासत से जुड़ना पड़ेगा। यही आपकी सफलता का आधार बनेगा। मैं दोहराता हूँ, भविष्य को सुनहरा बनाने के लिए आपको आपकी विरासत से जुड़ना पड़ेगा। यही आपकी सफलता का आधार बनेगा। धन्यवाद।
It is a part of communication that keeps us informed of the changing events, issues and characters in the world outside. It also provides an overview of longer-term trends that are happening globally. People consume their news because they want to learn about what is happening. So to update us, Raghunandan of our class is here with today's news headlines.
Not a student feel betrayed as JNU opens Barak Hostel without quota. Thank you
for updating us. To elaborate more, I would like to invite Aradhya Sharma to aid her views.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I feel very happy to speak a few words on the occasion of World Heritage Day, which is celebrated every year on 18th April and is also known as the International Day of Monuments and Sites. It reminds us to protect and preserve our valuable culture and natural heritage. So, what heritage is? Heritage means buildings, monuments, structures that we have received from our past. It is just like a treasure left by ancestors which tells a story about history, lifestyle and values. So let's start with our home, Karnal. Did you know the historical importance of our beloved city? It is named after Karna, the great warrior of Mahabharata, and Panipat, where three historical battles were fought. Nearby in Haryana, we have the famous Kurukshetra, where the battlefield of Mahabharata. And if I talk about our country, India, which has a rich and diverse culture, we have 42 UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Some famous one of them are Taj Mahal in Agra, Qutub Minar in Red Fort in Delhi, Sun Temple of Kanak and the Khajuraho temples. And let's not forget about the Western Ghats and the Kaziranga National Parks, all example of our natural heritage. All over the world, different countries also have amazing heritage sites. Some of them are the Eiffel Tower in France, the Great Wall of China, Pyramids of Egypt, and the Statue of Liberty in USA. UNESCO helps in protecting such sites so that they can be enjoyed by the future generations too. Friends, we may be small, but we can also help in protecting our heritage. So, we should visit such sites and learn about them. Never throw waste in such places. Friends, on this World Heritage Day, let us promise to know, love and protect our heritage like a gift from our grandparents. Thank you.
Now I would like to invite the author of the class to recite a poem.
everyone, my name is Kriyash. Today I invite you all with a lovely self-composed poem on our heritage sites. So let's start with the poem. Monuments are the reflection of the culture, defines national identity of the nation. Diversified unique legacy talks about roots of country. By monuments memorize history and unlock its mystery. Monuments are the baton passed on by previous generations. Don't make them dirty as they represent country. Save them from damage as they are precious baggage.
Let us all witness the next performance prepared by our classmates with a hope to trigger a change in all of us. So please put your hands together to welcome them.
Wow, Petra is so beautiful and marvelous place. I am loving it.
Such a yucky drink. Let me throw it here only and buy something else.
Wow! What a great idea to visit German Coliseum. It's so unique. I am starving. Everyone throwing garbage here. Who's gonna watch me?
Wow, this is so beautiful. I am obsessed with this structure. Beautiful monument to G. Who knows when I am going to revisit here? Let's put the memorable mark. Oh, done G.
Oh my dear friends, what you have done. We are living on such a wonderful planet, having a rich and varied heritage. Please don't spoil it. It's our duty to preserve the monuments for ourselves and in next generations. Thank you.
Please welcome the troupe of our class with its performance.
जाओ जी मन प्रीत कराओ जी रा क्यों तरसावे हो मन सकल दिखाओ जी थारी शरारत सब जानू मैं तोहरी हरसले मन बंगाली में कांदगे मर गुड़ में जागी दो कणी चंदा में थारी चांदनी मन का मन में बा एक सीरे झुम 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 ओ हमारे गुड़ में जागी दो कणी चंदा में थारी चांदनी मन का मन में बा